I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's the control point for system sounds. Tap Sounds and Haptics. This exposes ringtone and text tone entries. Once there, tap Ringtone to open the list of available tones. You'll see built-in tones and any purchases or synced files. Make sure your device is unlocked and not in silent mode so you can hear previews. This first step gets you to the selection screen quickly, so you can listen, compare, and prepare to apply a new ringtone. Now you audition options. Tap any tone name to preview it. The ringer volume controls playback, so adjust it first. If you want a custom sound, use the tone store or prepare a ringtone file and sync via Finder or iTunes on a computer, import as M4R and transfer to your device. Once your custom tone appears in the list, tap it to select. When selected, the checkmark confirms the change. This step handles both stock and custom tones. Finish by assigning tones to specific contacts if preferred. Open Contacts, pick a contact, edit ringtone to personalize who gets the sound. If a tone doesn't appear, make sure the file is. M4R, resync using Finder or iTunes, then restart your iPhone. This often resolves indexing issues. Also check for iOS updates. Outdated software can affect sound handling. If problems persist, delete and re-add the tone. These final steps ensure the ringtone is applied and working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.